Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you get the error there are currently no power options available in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So yes, if you go to the power options window, like you type power cfg.cpl and hit enter and open power options and you don't find any default current scheme here, then what can you do in that case? So obviously you can create a new one. That's a different thing. Create a power plan, but this is a different thing. If you want the default ones like the balance power plan and all, simply use this command. I'll share it with you in the description section. Power cfg space hyphen restore default schemes. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here, hit enter. Now see, it has restored the default ones at least, although they were already there. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.